All right, Joe, I'm going to share with you one of the most underutilized ways to get into your client's mind and write content that will instantly resonate with them. Woo! How you want to do that? And this is a secret. No one is really doing this. Only you know. So by doing this, by you using this one secret, super awesome, easy thing, you can completely differentiate yourself and your business from everybody else. What's up? This is your boy Wick. Wick. Shut up. All right. If you don't know me, you about to know me. If you don't know, now you know. Uh, why am I doing this? Who am I? I'm just a sales and marketing dude that cares deeply about the beauty industry because I just love the beauty industry for who knows what reason. But also, I know it's a very profitable industry, and I'm here to do one thing: help you make more money, help you be more profitable. So you going like, dang, this fool Wick is pretty cool. He's helping me. I appreciate it. So I do this out of love and all this other stuff. Cool. All right. So what is this secret technique? What is this hack that can help you better write content when you write content for your social media? Cool. All right. So I'm on Amazon right now, and I heard this someplace, and I use this quite a bit for myself. Is the reviews. So for example, and I put in here acne right there. If you can see acne, right? Put in acne, and then of course I want to look for things that's got good things. Like of course here's proactive. Let let's talk about proactive. You like it, you hate it, who knows? Is it good, bad, whatever? I'm not here to talk about that, but this is where it will make it easy for you to write stuff. What I typically do, I'll go to their reviews. So if you can see right here, be like their reviews, and typically, I'll go into, I'll look at the positive as well as the negative, but let's just start with the negative. Let me move my fat head. Cool. Let me see if I can make this bigger. More bigger? Yeah, yeah. Okay. This product was a waste of money and almost a year of my life. As a 16, I saw no improvement in the beginning, and I saw increased inflammation and cystic acne, which I hadn't. Okay. So cool. So basically, what I would do in this scenario is I would look at what this gal is saying, and I'd be like, hey, are you tired of wasting money and years on your life? So just take the sentence and just make it a question, right? I know so many people that struggled with acne since even the fifth grade. And a lot of them have used product. I won't, you don't have to say proactive. And, you know, and they used it product for 6 months, and some saw absolutely no results. In the beginning, sure, they saw this or that, or blah blah. But I went off, and it cleared up my skin and became really oily, broke out a bunch. My skin has gotten better, and in fact, I do not recommend this product. But anyways, I want you to like read that whole thing and take out the bits and pieces that apply to you. Like the product was a waste of money. Hey, are you sick and tired of, spending money on product that's not working, right? How many years of your life did you waste hoping and praying that the product would work? Blah 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 blah. Absolutely rip off. Okay, that's not very useful for me. Blah 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 blah. Using this day to and my skin looks so okay, good. Using this twice a day, it does dry up my pimples fast, but it doesn't prevent breakouts. If you are struggling with acne, there are products out there that may dry up your pimples, but they don't prevent breakouts. Again just using her words because like she is a client. She is somebody that is using the product, and these are her words. So you want to get into a habit of not saying your words. You want to think in the mind of the client. You want to you want to put yourself in their shoes. And so you want to speak in their language. And this is one of the easiest hacks that I could think of, right? So whatever, blah 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 blah. Goes, there's so many products out there, and if you're not using the right products, your skin can start to look dull. And even if you apply moisturizer, right, you'll notice that some of the blemishes are not fading. And sure, it'll heal some of the pimples, but it'll give you other breakouts. Dang, I like the way she worded that. See, I usually have them when it's a girl month thing, but blah blah blah. Anyways, right? So just like this two sentence would be a great way for a Facebook and Insta post to just say that and just use her words, but make it into a form of a question or things of that sort, right? It actually worsened my skin. Nope, I recently purchased this product. I think it was a cure for breakouts on my chin, but no, it aggravated the problem. Go ahead, go. Have you recently purchased a product, a skincare product that you thought would be the cure to breakouts on your chin, your cheek, your face, your acne, but no. A lot of these problems can actually aggravate the problem and make it even worse. Some have even had to go to the hospital or a derm because of whatever, blah blah. Here's a product overly dried and led to a disfiguring rash on my chin. I've heard stories of some products that have actually over dried the skin and led to disfiguring rash on your chin and blah blah. Dude, I really like the way this my doctor recommended stop using such harsh products like Proactive. The chemicals seriously destroy my skin. Lord have mercy, right? But do you see what I'm saying? And it goes on and stop working unprofessional blah blah blah. This worked the first time for my daughter, so sign up directly with the manufacturer. Those products stop working. Yeah, so go. Have you purchased a product and it was working in the beginning, but then it stopped working? So I read cancel my subscription. They refused to do so. Blah 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 blah. 90 days. Da, da, da. Anyway, whatever, right? But it stopped working. Go. The reason that is because da 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 da. Right? So whatever the reason is, but I love to hear reviews, and no reviews are better than angry reviews. So go for the 1 star, and then you can also look for look for the positive to you know go through some of that stuff. I just feel that the negative is a little bit more people are just pissed, so they let the juice loose. But this is one of the things that I use whenever I'm like, okay, what is someone thinking about this, or why do they not like that, or what's going on in this person's mind? Because I want people to stop using Proactive and start using my product, my service, whatever, right? So use this. So whether it's acne, whether it is anti-aging, what is this? Let me go to. And I'll typically just look at the ones with the most reviews, even though it's sponsored. I don't care, right? Blah 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 blah, and then look at the ratings. Cool. Let's see what's up. Look at the 3% that are negative. Buyer beware. Woo, woo. The reviews are super good or super bad. Unfortunately, mine is super bad. I put this on the moisture and it goes all gobs of balls like other reviews, and it burned and dried my skin. I tried washing the balls off and it did the same thing. I wish we could buy samples. I just wasted money. Another junk cream that I threw in the trash. Go. Are you tired of buying creams that you try and instantly they're not right for your skin? Right? Are you tired of throwing products in the trash that just aren't working? Well, the reason they're not working is those products were not made for you or your skin. Your skin is unique, just like your fingerprint, just like a snowflake. So all of these products that you're going to buy off the shelf, they might work for some, and that's why they'll get good reviews, but that doesn't mean it's going to work for you. You need a customized solution, blah, blah, blah. You see what I'm saying? Spraying the product flakes off my face during the day. About 2 or 3 hours, I use the cream. It starts flaking off. I'll bother, but it seems as though the cream isn't absorbed in my skin. Because so many products out there actually don't even absorb in your skin. How can they help you if they're just sitting on top and just flaking off, right? Blah, blah, blah. Terrible customer service. I can't say anything. Packaging is misleading, blah, blah. But anyways, long story short, use some of this. Go on Amazon, whatever you're selling, look at a competitor and go into the dirty reviews. Give it a go and use some of those words to better understand what the client's thinking. What are the client's pain points? What are they complaining about? And how yes, you bold beauty boss, triple B, from LBC. I don't know if you're from LBC. Snoop is, but whatever, right? And make it and use it to your advantage. Cool beans. Be amazing. Try this hack. Use some of the wording and you'll be surprised at the results you'll get. Peace.